Hey guys, it's good. Name is Sina, aka Playboy Sina, and it's another video. By the title of this video, I'm guessing you guys already know what it is or not. Point is, I got an item off my wish list and I'm doing a full unboxing video. Look at the box, not open, none of this shit. I see it, same time you see it, and you're getting the first time reaction to this. Now let's go. Alright, box has been opened. I can't lie, I struggled, so obviously that's why I had to cut it. But yeah, let's see. Obviously, we got the folding paper, all that shit. I'm gonna clean that up later. Reebok. We got the Reebok, you know, Jjjjound on the shit. So, I mean, obviously, y'all know what it is. I know what it is. You know what I'm talking about. Let's focus, yeah. You know what it is. I know what it is. It's the Jjjjound Reebok Club C's, you know, an item off my wish list. One of several, I believe, I have caught, you know, vibes. Yes, sir. So, let's do this. Shit. First time doing one of these. So, nothing right here. This is what you get when it's in the box. Seeing the shoes for the first time as well. Yeah, shit. Here are the shoes. Here are the shoes. The Jjjjound Reebok Club C's. Personal favorite of mine. You know the vibes. You know, so here's the shoe itself. You know, obviously the other pair. It doesn't come with any dust bags or anything else. But it does come with the infamous, guys, the infamous cream laces. The infamous cream laces, and I'm very excited to do this. Right, guys, I'm extremely happy with this purchase. I think it is so sick, so fire, amazing quality, amazing materials, and given the retail price, I think it is so sick. I didn't cop for retail personally, but because I love Jjjjound, the brand, like I think this is worth it in my book. I feel like I don't have to baby these, and I'm really happy, man. It's gonna be a staple of my wardrobe for years to come. Right? Don't let me keep you guys waiting. Let's get into the on-feet stroke review portion of this video.
Getting into the review portion of this video, we have the Jjjjound sneakers in all its glory. The all-white sneaker with cream accents and the infamous Jjjjound detailing on the side. Overall, I think the shoe is really comfortable and well constructed. When wearing the shoes, I felt like I didn't have to worry about them creasing or any of that jazz. They fit true to size, and I believe they would make a perfect staple for the summer. It's up to you guys if you want to pay resale for them, which is about $250 to $300, ballpark of around that range, you know, depending on your size and, you know, where you get them from, you know. So you can either get them on Grailed, StockX, Go, or, you know, wherever else, you know, you look to for a sneaker resale. Moving on to the pairing section of this video, the first pair of pants I pair them with are my Acne Studios RU wool trousers. I feel the Jjjjound sneakers would go really well with any pair of straight or relaxed trousers when it comes to the cut. And this fit showcases that perfectly. You can't really go wrong with a pair of nice black trousers, man. Honestly, you know the vibes. Pairing 2 features the Carhartt Wash Twill Relaxed Fit Work Pant in the brown colorway or dark coffee colorway. This falls in line with the whole workwear vibe in which the shoes have been paired with, and this fit, in my opinion, is the most basic of the bunch. Anybody who has seen these shoes before knows they are paired in this manner, and because of that, they give off ultimate dad vibes. Pairing 3 features the green Stranger Things and Nike Sweatpants. This is a really good way to showcase the shoe because of the cuff at the bottom. Also, I had to give a nod to the cozy boys, you know the vibes. The perfect summer fit in my book for when you're going shopping or doing something extremely casual, like a barbecue or a kickback, when you're just chilling, man, outdoor stuff, the vibes. Last but definitely not the least, we have my favorite look of the bunch. I paired the club C's with a pair of 5-inch Patagonia baggies in black, and I felt good given all the frontin' and tomfoolery I was doing, the vibes. But yeah, definitely this is my favorite fit because I get to show off my legs. No toothpicks over here, boy. But yeah, man, enough playing. All the products mentioned are in the description below. Don't forget to like the video as we make our way to the outro.
Alright, it's a wrap, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Appreciate the love, appreciate the comments. Keep them coming. Like, comment, subscribe once again. All that YouTube shit. Social media, all in the description. My Instagram is on the screen. Vibes. Also, it would mean a lot to me if you get this video to 100 likes. It's gonna help me to be seen more on the YouTube algorithm, and that would mean everything to me. Want the channel to grow, want it to prosper, all that good stuff. Thank you for watching once again, guys. Peace and love.